Jai Jagannath everyone and welcome back to OS Aspirant YouTube channel. This is Gagan and in this lecture we will discuss about all the important current affairs of 20th of December 2025. Lecture will be very important for all the competitive examination of Central and Odisha government. So watch till the end. Today's first question will be who became the first Indian to win a match at the PDC Darts World Championship by defeating Richard Veenstra in the 2025-2026 edition? Right answer will be option A Nitin Kumar. So students, here you have to remember that Nitin Kumar's historic victory in the round of 64 marks a significant milestone for Indian niche sports, showcasing the India's expanding footprint in the international competitive arenas beyond traditional athletics. The Professional Darts Corporation PDC World Championship is the premier global event in the sports, and this win provides India with its first major breakthrough in professional darts. Our next question will be where will be India's first forest university be established with an investment of 500 crore? Right answer will be option B Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh state. Here you have to remember that the establishment of India's first forest university in Gorakhpur signifies a major shift towards specialized environmental research and sustainable forestry management within the national educational framework. And with a sustainable investment of 500 crore, this institution aims to produce a skilled workforce dedicated to forest conservation and biodiversity, which will be aligned with climate goals and sustainable developmental goals of India. Our next question will be which institution has been designed as India's first yoga and Ayurveda focused cluster center under the Ministry of Culture's Gyan Bharatam Mission or GBM? Right answer will be option B Patanjali University, Haridwar. Here you have to remember Patanjali University, which is situated at Haridwar, has been designed as the country's first specialized cluster center under the Gyan Bharatam mission, a central initiative focused on the preservation and digitization of India's ancient manuscript heritage. And as a cluster center, the university will act as a nodal mentor of 20 other institutions, leveraging its extensive database of 50,000 ancient texts and 42 lakh digitized pages. Our next question will be which country will participate alongside India in the second edition of the joint military exercise Desert Cyclone 2nd? Right answer will be option B United Arab Emirates or UAE. Here you have to remember the Desert Cyclone exercise is a significant bilateral military cooperation initiative between India and UAE. This initiative focuses on enhancing interoperability in subcontinental operations, particularly in desert terrain. This exercise underscores the deepening strategic and defense ties between these nations, India and UAE, along with India's Link West policy and collective security interest in the Middle East. Our next question is which international aviation hub was recently honored as the world's best international airport for 2025 by the prestigious Travel Plus Leisure India and South Asia's India's Best Awards? Right answer will be option A Singapore Changi Airport. Here you have to remember Singapore Changi Airport's recognition as the world best for 2025 underscores the critical role of world-class infrastructure and seamless passenger experience in global connectivity and soft power. Our next question is which airline was recognized as the best domestic airline at the 14th edition of the Travel Plus Leisure India and South Asia's Best Award 2025? Right answer will be option B Air India. Here you have to remember Air India secured the title of Best Domestic Airline for the second consecutive year at this award show. This achievement highlights the successful progress of Air India's multi-year transformation plan under the Tata Group. Our next question will be, which international day is observed globally on December 20th to celebrate unity and diversity and encourage new initiatives for poverty eradication? Right answer will be option C, International Human Solidarity Day. Here you have to remember International Human Solidarity Day was established by the UN General Assembly in 2005, identifying solidarity as one of the fundamental and universal values that should underline relationship between peoples in the 21st century. Our next question will be, in December 2025, Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi was conferred with which of the following prestigious civil decoration? Right answer will be option C, Order of Oman, first class. So students, here you need to remember that Order of Oman is the highest civilian honor of Oman. The first class designation is typically reserved for heads of state and world leaders who have made exceptional contribution to bilateral relations and international diplomacy. Our next question will be, which team won their maiden Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy title by defeating Haryana in the final in December 2025? Right answer will be option C, Jharkhand. Students, here you need to remember that on December 18, 2025, Jharkhand scripted history by clinching their first ever Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy title. The final held at the Maharashtra Cricket Association Stadium in Pune saw Jharkhand dominating Haryana today secured a 69-run victory. Our next question will be, which country recently signed a comprehensive economic partnership agreement, a type of free trade agreement with India, marking its first major FTA since its 2006 deal with United States? Right answer will be option C, Oman. So students, here you need to remember that the free trade agreement FTA between India and Oman, officially known as the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement CEPA, represent a strategic shift in India's engagement with the Gulf region. Our next question will be, the Indian government recently announced an investment of 887 crore to develop a world-class marina at which specific location? Right answer will be option B, Mumbai Harbour. So students, here you need to remember that the Union government has approved a significant project to build a state-of-the-art marine in Mumbai, aiming to transform the city's waterfront in a premier destination for luxury boating and maritime tourism. Our next question will be, which major Indian IT service company recently announced plans to establish an AI city in Lucknow and aims to double its workforce in Uttar Pradesh to over 30,000 employees? Right answer will be option C, Tata Consultancy Services or TCS. So students, here you need to remember that Tata Consultancy Services or TCS, India's largest IT service exports, is making a massive strategic investment in Uttar Pradesh to turn the region into a premier hub for artificial intelligence and emerging technologies. Our next question will be, the new terminal building of Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport, which is said to be inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is located in which of the following state? Right answer will be option B, Assam. So students, here you need to remember that the inauguration of the new integrated terminal building at the Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport in Guwahati marks a major milestone in the Act East policy at the development of Northeast India's aviation sector. Our next question will be, which new legislation was recently passed by the Indian Parliament to replace the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act or MNREGA of 2005? Right answer will be option B, Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission, Gramin VBG Ramji. So students, here you need to remember that VBG Ramji Bill replaced the iconic Manrega with a new framework designed to align rural employment with vision of a developed India by 2047.